Alrighty. So I don't have a good angle of this rock, but it was kind of pointed on the front of it, which kind of made me think it would be a good elephant. I started out with a fresh cylindrical bit. It's the same size and same style as the one I used in my rhino carving, but it is a new one. It's never been used. I didn't stop as much with this one compared to the rhino, so I don't have as many in-between pictures, but it's honestly just because I wasn't stopping, because I felt pretty warmed up. I felt like I knew what I needed to do and felt more confident in it. So I didn't end up stopping and looking at it quite as much, and we just kind of plowed ahead. Again, I mean, I was using that like making grooves and then connecting them by swinging the burr left and right to kind of connect the grooves where I was removing a lot of stone. He was a little bit wobbly here, and he's kind of wet, so he's a little bit hard to see, and there's a glare, sorry. But yeah, he's coming together. So I only ended up using one other bit for this, and it's a really skinny tapered burr, and I really wanted to narrow out his trunk. And then I defined some ears, because elephants have a really funny shaped head if you really think about it, like compared to their big old bodies, like they have kind of small heads. So I really wanted to define those ears and his trunk, because that's what's gonna make him look like an elephant. So I put dimples inside the ears to make them look, like floppy, like elephant ears. And I could have maybe narrowed his trunk out even more, but I got concerned that it was gonna break, because I think this is maybe slate. It had some pretty jagged edges as I was carving into it, which that's what made me think that that's what it was. It wasn't as smooth and soft as the rhino I did. And I did end up switching back to the cylindrical bit just once at the end to kind of round out some edges, because it was a little bit more jagged. So this is kind of a special little vid. It is similar to my rhino, but I thought I'd put this extra content on here for you guys because I appreciate the heck out of you, and I want to give you some extra shit. I like how my rhino turned out. He looks cool, and the elephant, I feel like it does look like an elephant. And all this stuff, you can just say it's, it's your stylized version of an elephant. Like it's art deco or, rustic or whatever the heck. Like you can just say like it's stylized, because I mean, there's all kinds of styles of tiny sculptures and rock carving, and so you can just say that. Alrighty, so that's gonna do it. Thanks for supporting me, and thanks for watching.